Hello, my name's Alana and today I'm going to sublimate a beach towel, and I like to use Canva to get my sublimation designs ready. So I'm just changing it to inches here, and I'm going to do it by 8.5 by 14, which is a legal size document. If you converted an Epson printer for sublimation like me and don't have a program for sublimation, like if you buy the Sawgrass, this is a great program to use. It's super user friendly. So here I'm just uploading my files that I'll be using today from Creative Fabrica. I'll have the link listed down below. And I'm just going to choose my file here. Choose for upload. And there it is. Now it's ready to use. This design bundle came with, I believe, over 30 images, and I don't know which ones I'm exactly going to use, so I'm just going to go back and upload all of them at once. So now that all of my images have uploaded to Canva, I'm just going to go ahead and choose which one I want to print first. I love this sea turtle, so I'm going to make it as big as possible to fill up the page. So now that the turtle is the size that I want, and I still have some white space around, I'm just going to go ahead and pick some smaller images to fill up that space. Now that I'm happy with my page, I'm just going to click download, save it as a PDF print, save it to my computer. I make sure it's set to my sublimation printer because I have two printers. I'm going to go to the print settings and change the print quality from normal to quality. And I'm also going to go to layout and flip horizontally. You don't have to do this for just images. I like to, but it's very important if you are printing words. You want to make sure you mirror it and flip it horizontally before you print. But if it's just images, it's optional. Also, don't forget to change your settings to legal size if you are printing legal size and not a letter. I got this paper from Amazon and I'll have it linked down below. Now, just with a pair of scissors, I'm going to cut my images apart, and I have my heat press preheating to 400. I'll also have the heat press link down below from Amazon. Now, because my beach towel has trim along the edge, which makes it a little bit raised compared to the actual towel part, I'm just going to put this Cricut heat mat underneath, or you could use a pressing pillow. So I'm just preheating it for a couple of seconds. Then I'm going to take the lint roller to it, make sure there's nothing on the towel. And I'm getting a piece of parchment paper ready so it's handy. I usually use Cricut's heat resistant tape to tape down slightly part of my image, but for some reason I didn't feel it necessary to do it for this towel. But it's whatever you're comfortable with. So after pressing for 30 seconds, my image is all done. Then I just repeated this process over and over until I was happy with how much space was filled on the towel. I'll link down below where I purchased the towel as well as a discount code.